Hey guys, this is Amin, and it was in 12 days war between Israel and Iran, and we were bored because we didn't have international internet, and we decided to play Ludo. But unfortunately, we didn't have dice, so I downloaded a dice application for Android, and from an Iranian, we call it bazaar, and we could access it in that moment. But the problem was that it was just a random number generator with a UI. And so I decided to create a real dice, physical dice. And I called this application, this is for Android and iOS, but I haven't shared that yet. And I call it Real Dice, and it works like a real dice in our world. So let me run this game. Okay. And as you can see, it has dual dice. We can simulate the finger movement with mouse right now, or single dice. When I push the single die or dual dice, it randomizes automatically, as you can see. And you have a dice, a real beautiful and physical dice.